In this video, I will show you how to delete page template on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you should be able to see in here Shopify editor. Now click on the home page, and on the products, you can see that I have two templates. One is default product and the next one is the summer. So I want to remove the summer right here and I wanted to delete it. So what I can do is then head back on my Shopify dashboard, and on my dashboard right here, I can click on these three dots, click on this edit code, and then this will open the code for Shopify. Now click on the filter files and search in here for summer. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see this product, the summer.json. So click on this, and in here you should be able to see this trash can icon. So click on that, click on delete file, and as you can see, this will be deleted. So let me head back, and then let's try to see if it's still there on our actual Shopify editor. Now on our Shopify editor that we have right here, this will load first. Now once you have head over to your Shopify editor, you should be able to see in here your actual page. And you should be able to see now that you don't have any more excess or summer page that you have. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.